How's my hair look?
Beautiful.
You ready, Cliver? Okay.
It's going.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Welcome to story time with Mrs. Smith today and my son. Hope you enjoyed this newest edition. This is a team effort from my class in 4th grade and Mr. Smith class in 1st. It's called Monkeys in the South Pole. Here we go, Clive. You ready? Ready? This is monkeys in the South Pole. There's the monkeys. They found a broken boat and some tools. Looks like we got some boating tools over there. There's the monkey. The monkeys found the broken boat at Table Rock Lake near Branson. It's a great place to go. There were llamas to help the monkeys reach high parts that were broke. It's a good thing there were llamas around, right? Yeah. They got into the boat and started to go. They took bananas, banana soup, banana sandwiches, and banana splits. And it looks like their boat also kind of looks like a banana. The monkeys passed a big shark. They wondered what to do. They turned away from the shark and went to shore. It's a good plan. They went past the snake and they went onto the highway. Apparently the snake was on the shore. They traveled for hours and hours on the highway. You can see them here with their car, and there's lots of cars on this highway. Kind of looks like some monkeys are on top of the car, which is pretty funny. Also not safe though. Wear your seatbelts, please. They got to the South Pole, and some polar bears chased them. Uh-oh. Then they found themselves being chased by polar bears and said, "You're not from around here." The penguins ran into a flock of angry birds. The monkeys asked the penguins, "Where are the friendly penguins?" So apparently those were angry penguins, and we're on the hunt for friendly penguins. They said, "The nice penguins are fishing." That makes sense. Look, we got their car here. Some penguins. The monkeys came across a turtle and rode on his back to the penguins. This is a really good turtle we got here with the monkeys on top of it. There's a monkey. After they got off the turtle's back, they ran into the nice penguins. And the penguins said, "Do you want to teach us to catch fish with us?" And the penguins said, "Yes." The penguins asked them to lunch next to a cave. They ate a delicious lunch of fish. Then the penguins showed them around the South Pole. I like this artistic interpretation of the South Pole. They saw the monkey's house, and there were many places to swim and to play. Then they found a magic water gun. Then they found a magical ice block. This journey is full of magic. The magical ice block could fly. Then they found a treasure box in the cave. The treasure box, the chest, had a lot of gold. The penguins gave them some gold, and then they gave them a little bit more. Then the penguins showed them another cave. You want your jacket off? In the cave, there was more treasure, and it magically transported them back all the way to Branson. At Branson, they used their gold to go to Silver Dollar City and ride the roller coasters. There's our roller coaster. That looks pretty fun. Then they went home and went to bed. The end. I hope you liked story time with Mrs. Smith today and enjoyed our collaborative story of Monkeys in the South Pole with my 4th grade class and Mr. Smith's 1st grade class. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to Mr. Smith's YouTube channel. Clyde, can you give the monkey a kiss?